Hey there, Cass here. So today it is a really cold and rainy day here in South Carolina, which tends to lead to us not doing anything productive because we can't really leave the apartment because it's just so gross out there. So I decided that instead of just cozying up and playing some video games, which I usually do, don't get me wrong, I decided to clean and put together stuff that we may be getting rid of soon to minimalize our belongings. And I thought about it, and this might be a good opportunity to show you guys our apartment. We moved here back in April. We love this place, we love this loft. It's one of the nicest places that me and Sky have lived in. What I meant to say here is that it's raining, it's gross outside, so come hang out inside with us. Did you just fix the washing machine?
I don't know. Words and things and stuff and oh my god.
What
up, though?
It's Cassie.
I'm Skizzle.
That was our apartment we just showed you. Like I said before, I've been living here since April.
April.
So we haven't really like made it homey yet.
Everywhere we go, we have these amazing ideas of the great things that we're gonna do to the house and or apartment that we move into, and then we just fill it with.
Whoa, that was good. I didn't know I could do that. Basically, we've just been carrying around the same amount of cool stuff that we've gotten over the years and just placing them differently in apartments, so it kind of looks like all over the place.
I like electronics. She likes toys.
Yeah. So this probably is, like I said before, one of the nicest apartments we've lived in.
Yeah.
It was kind of disappointing when we realized, like, oh wow, we got like the loft that we always wanted, and we were still like,
meh. Now it's just like, I'm just pissed that I'm paying so much.
so much money. Not New York money, thankfully, because.
Listen, boy. Listen, yo. All right, yo, New Yorkers. I'm gonna take a second to speak to my New Yorkers real quick. Y'all know rent is crazy anywhere we go. You get a 1-bedroom for $1 million a month. So we originally came down south chasing the cheap rent, and we found the cheap rent, but we're still paying the same rent. It's just cheap for the place that we live in.
We found the cheapest high rent. Right?
Yeah.
Instead of finding like a little home on the prairie for like $3 a month.
They got us. We're New Yorkers. We saw a brick wall and we're like, done.
Where do I sign?
Welcome to MTV Cribs. It's my crib.
Yeah, it did kind of feel MTV Cribs-ish walking around with the camera.
I felt like such a douche.
Like when I was cooking and like I felt you like behind my shoulder, I was like, oh, I'm just like making chicken here. It's not even pretty. Like,
let me look nice for you too. One problem with places like this, and if anyone wants to move into a loft, regardless of how much you're paying, one thing that you do have to take into consideration is your heat is crazy, because as you may know, heat rises. And when you have 50-foot ceilings, the heat is on upstairs. It's cold down here. So like, always take into consideration your utilities. That is one thing that we did not think about, and we're kind of pissed about it now. But utilities.
Also, always check your windows.
This is the culprit. He wants to be in all of our videos. He's such a little attention hormone, and he just wants to be a part of everything. So we're giving him a little section just for himself.
Before you move into an apartment, check that your windows close fully.
Correctly.
No cracks.
No seals on these windows whatsoever.
Because I don't know if you noticed when I was showing my little window area over there, you have a little blanket nuzzled in there.
Listen, y'all, I'm Dominican Af. My parents, whenever it got cold, will take a bunch of duct tape and some plastic bags and cover up the window completely, cause
whatever works.
I ain't about it.
Yeah, so we just wanted to show you guys a little bit of like where we lived and stuff like that. And if you guys would like to get to know us a little bit more, please shoot us some questions.
We're thinking about making a Q&A. We're not incredibly interesting, but
no, we're sick, bro. Don't lie. No, we're sick.
But if
crazy,
you wanna,
man, we got these stories, man.
RIKU, do not. I see you trying to. Yeah, good boy.
He's such an.
We're thinking about making a Q&A. So if you guys have any questions for us, stuff like that, want to know where we're from, even though you already know where we're from.
TMI is welcome.
Yeah, I'm down to answer some ridiculous.
Yeah, if you like this video, please give us a quick subscribe, press that like button, press that little bell for, what does the bell do?
Notifications.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, if you guys are into PC gaming, I play a lot of Overwatch, World of Warcraft, Destiny 2, MapleStory, anything on Steam. Like
Games.
I have games on my phone. My BattleNet is Avenor 1553, hashtag 1553, if you wanna, play some games, or if you need a healer, I'm a Mercy Moira main in Overwatch, and I'm also a healer in World of Warcraft, if that's a thing that you do.
Should I pick Mercy?
Listen, I'm already Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
Anyway, so yeah, thanks again for watching this video, guys. It was a pleasure showing our apartment to you, and we have more content coming soon. Unfortunately, it has been raining a lot lately, so we haven't gotten much done with Landoff.
He's chilling.
Yeah, just we don't want the inside to get all wet because we just put those floors in.
And laminate flooring does not like moisture, boy. That's one thing that we're gonna have to think about, but that's later.
But yeah, it was nice talking to you guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Also, this is funny, I'm sorry. I love my games. This happened to me the other day, and I love you for it, man. You're great.
It was so good.
You're so good. I'm so happy.
That's much better.
That's the Reinhardt.
Of course it's the right.
I'm gonna heal you so good.
I require healing sexually. Please stand behind my shield, you inbred.